Okay. Today we discuss about the basic principle of Johnson counter. The first counter is known as Johnson counter, and then second one is ring counter. Okay. These two counter are very important for any electronics application. The application of Johnson counter is for frequency counter or as an object counter, then parallel to serial data conversion logic circuit, analog to digital converter, digital clocks, digital triangular generator, generating staircase or ramp voltage, and synchronous decade counter or divided counter, timer and rate measurement, timer circuit like a alarm clock, etc., and three-phase square wave generator which produce different types of phase shift, three stages Johnson counter, using three stages Johnson counter. But here in today's class we discuss about the normal Johnson counter and its hardware diagram. So what is the design principle? First of all, the Johnson counter is designed by using D flip-flop, not using JK flip-flop. We design 4-bit Johnson counter. First of all, we design 4-bit Johnson counter. So the hardware is look like this is one D flip-flop, and here the extra pin is connected, that is known as clear pin. This is data input D pin, this is Q output, and this is Q bar, and this is clock. Okay, this is clock. And next one, the second bit, again repeat here, this is another D, this is clear bar, this is Q, this is Q bar, and here clock is applied, this is also the clock. Here also another third bit, this is Q, this is Q bar, this is again D, this is clock, this is again clear bar, and the number 4 is, this is clear bar also, this is clear bar, sorry, this is clear bar, this is clear bar, this is Q, this is Q bar, this is D, and this is clock. Okay, first of all clocks are short together. This is short together. Okay, these are short together and connected to the main clock. Here we connected one clock are connected, there is the main clock, and these are the clear input which is purpose for the specific action, and this clear input is connected, these clear input are also short together and apply here one input, that is clear input, for clear the output, and the output is connected, and the connection is this D input, this LSB D input, least significant D input is connected to the inverted output of the most significant bit, and it's just follow look like this. This output is connected to the next, this output is connected to the next, and this output is connected to the next. So first of all, this is the hardware diagram. This is the hardware schematic of 4-bit Johnson counter. So what is the operation? The operation principle is that, let us consider in the first state, the initial state is 0 0 0 0. So look that if the 4 state are 0 0 0, then this Q bar equal to 1, and this 1 is propagated via this wire and apply here. And now if we apply the clock signal, then this one, so initially if we make one table here, so first initially the 3 output Q3, Q2, Q1, Q0, these are the 4 outputs, these are the 4 outputs from the 4 outputs of the Johnson counter. This is Q0, this is Q1, this is Q2, and this is Q3. Okay, so first state is 0 0 0. So what is Q3 bar? Q3 bar equal to 1. 1 is propagated via this wire, and when we apply this clock, then 1 is put here. So now Q0 equal to 1, then remaining all other bits equal to 0. Now again we apply clock, the same clock. So at the negative edge of the first clock, this is the clock 1, and after the second negative edge of the clock, this 1 is shifted here. Okay, and then again 1 is here. So what is the bit pattern? The bit pattern is look like this, and after several clocks the output is look like that. After several clocks the output is all output equal to 1 1 1. So now the interesting fact is coming. When all output equal to 1, that means this Q3 equal to 1, then again this output equal to 0. So here this is 0. So now 0 is propagating via this wire, and now apply this D input, this D input, this D input. So now if we apply again clock, then this bit equal to again 0, this, and this step will be repeatedly until the all bit is equals to 0. Okay, until the all bit equals to 0. Now see that when this bit equal to again 0, Q3, then this bit equal to again 1, and then this stage, then and after this 0 0 0, it again repeatedly start from here. So this is the basic principle of and basic counting and the fundamental counting step of this 4-bit Johnson counter using D flip-flop. Here, sorry, here this is 1, this is not 0, this is 1. So the application of Johnson counter is number 1, it is used as a first frequency counter. There are so many applications. Second application is object counting, object counter. Number 3 is parallel to serial data conversion, parallel to serial data conversion, parallel to serial data converter. Number 4 is analog to digital converter, analog to digital converter. Number 5 is for a digital RAM generation. So there are so many applications using this with the help of Johnson counter.